Welcome Blue Star School students. Today we are going to see about chapter number 11. Chapter name is Perimeter and Area in 7th Max NCERT book. Last video we saw exercise number 11.3 you have 4 sum. First 4 sum. Now today we are going to see about remaining sums in exercise number 11.3. Next we have to take exercise number 11.3 fifth sum. Write the fifth question. From a circular sheet of radius 4 cm, a circle of radius 3 cm is removed. Find the area of the remaining sheet. Take pi equal to 22/7. So first let us try to draw a rough diagram. So that will help us to understand the problem better. Okay. Then we see that you have a circular sheet. See, this is our circular sheet of radius 4 cm. Now from this circular sheet, as the circle of radius 3 cm is removed. Okay. So let's see, the circle of 3 cm would definitely smaller than this one, because this is a circle of radius 4 cm, right? So this is a portion will be removed. Let us shade it like this. So here shaded portions will be removed. Here basically we need to find this remaining area, because this inside circles has been removed. We have to find out the white area. How do we find that? First we have to find out the area of the bigger circle of radius 4 cm. Then we have to find the area of smaller circle of radius 3 cm. Then we have to subtract this 2. What would you get? We get the remaining area, this area. This is what we want to find out. Okay, let's see the. First we have to write the given portion. Radius of bigger circle. Radius of bigger circle is 4 cm. It is nothing but outer radius of circular sheet is 4 cm. Then radius of smaller circle is, what is the radius of this smaller circle? 3 cm. The inner radius of the circular sheet is 3 cm. Next we want to find the remaining area. Okay. Remaining area. The area of the remaining sheet would be smaller circle. Area of the smallest area of bigger circle. The area of the remaining sheet would be, we have to find area of bigger circle minus areas of smaller circle. What is the formulas of area? Area of circle. Pi r square. Pi r square. This is, it represents, this capital R represent bigger circle, small r represent smaller circle, that is inner circle. Okay. What is the value of pi? Pi is 22 by 7. Capital R means 4. 4 into 4. Then 22 by 7. Here smaller r is 3. 3 into 3. Next we get 15.24 minus, we have to solve this one. We get the answer like this, 28.26. At last we have to minus these two decimal number. We get the answer 21.98 centimeter square. So the area of the remaining sheet would be 21.98 centimeter square. Fifth sum is over. Next we have to move seventh sum. Seventh question. Find the perimeter of adjoining figure which is a semicircle including its diameter. Find the perimeter of adjoining figures which is semicircle including its diameter. So in this sum we have to find the perimeter of the given figures. Okay, here this is semicircle. Semicircle means half of the circle. Okay, we have to add, first we have to find the boundary of the semicircle, that is nothing but circumference of semicircle. Then already we know the length of the diameter. Okay, the diameter of the semicircle, that is 10 centimeter. After that we have to find the total perimeter. So we have to add circumference of semicircle and length of the diameter. Okay. First we write the given portion. Here given is diameter. D is nothing but diameter. Diameter equal to 10 centimeter. Then we have to calculate the radius, because to find the circumference of circle. Okay. What is the formulas of radius? Diameter divided by 2. So 10 divided by 2. We get the answer 5 centimeter. Then write the formula for area of semicircle, circumference of semicircle, what do you mean by semicircle? It is the half of the circle. First we write the circle formula 2 pi r divided by half of the circle. Okay. 2. Pi is 22 by 7. What is the value of r? 5 centimeter and divided by 2. We can write here divided by 2. 2 cancel. We have to reduce. We get 15.71 centimeter. Next we have to find the total perimeter. Total perimeter equal to circumference of semicircle plus length of diameter. What is the value of circumference of semicircle? 15.71. Plus length of diameter is 10 centimeter. Next we have to add these to 1. We get 25.71 centimeter. This is our answer. Next we have to move the next sum. Next we have to take the question number 12. The circumference of a circle is 31.4 centimeter. Find the radius and the area of a circle. The circumference of a circle is 31.4 centimeter. Find the radius and area of the circle. Already we saw the model sum for this question. First we write the given. Here given is circumference of a circle. What do you find? We have to find radius and also find the area of a circle. So first write the formula for circumference. Circumference of circle is 2 pi r. 2 pi r. Okay. So here given is 31.4 centimeter. So we have to write 2 into 22 by 7 into r. Since pi equal to 22 by 7, you have to write. Then we have to find the radius of the circle. So 31.4, 7 is change, multiply, divided by 2 into 22 equal to r. Then we have to simplify this value. We get r equal to 5 centimeter. r equal to 5 centimeter. Then we have to calculate the area. Area equal to, what is the formula? Pi r square. Area equal to pi r square. So pi is 22/7. R is 5. R square means R into R, that is 5 into 5. Then we have to cancel and simplify the value. We get 78.50 centimeters square. Then we have take question number 13. A circular pot, a circular flower bed is surrounded by a pot 4 meter wide, the diameter of the flower bed is 66 meter. What is the area of this pot? A circular flower bed is surrounded by a pot 4 meter wide. The diameter of the flower bed is 66 meter. What is the area of this pot? So here also let us first try to draw a rough diagram. Okay, it will help us to understand the problem better. So we have circular flower bed like this, and its flower bed is surrounded by the pot all around it like this. Okay. Then the question is given, the width of the pot is 4 meter. That is 4 meter. The diameter of the flower bed is 66 meter. So we have to find out the area of this pot. Okay. We have to shade this pot. Again we find out the area of the bigger circles, and then we will subtract the area of the smaller circle from bigger circle. Okay. So how will we do it? Let's see. Given is diameter of inner circle. Okay. Diameter equal to 66 meter. We have to find the radius, r equal to 66 divided by 2. We get 33 meter. And width of the pot is 4 meter. First we have to find the radius of bigger circle. Radius of bigger circle. So 66 is the diameter of smaller circle. Let us consider the bigger circle. We take the bigger circle. Here diameter is 66 meter plus we have to add, here the length of the width of the pot is 4 centimeter. So we have to add 4 on this side plus 4 meter on this side. Okay. $66 meter plus 4 centimeter plus 4 centimeter divided by 2. Radius means half of the diameter. This is a diameter. Okay. So we have to add these three numbers. We get 66 plus 4 means 74 meter. Here meter not centimeter, meter. 4 meter, 4 meter divided by 2. Radius is half of the diameter. So we have to cancel this one. We get 37 meter. Then we have to find the area of the pot. Area of the pot. That means area of the bigger circle minus area of the smaller circle. Okay. Area of bigger circle pi r square minus area of the smaller circle pi smaller square. What is the value of pi? 22 by 7. What is the radius of bigger circle? 37. So here r square, so we have to write in 2 times minus 22 by 7. What is the radius of smaller circle? 30. Then we have to simplify this value. We get 4,298.66 minus 3,419.46. Then we have to multiply these two numbers. 879.20 meter square. This is the answer. Area of the pot is 879.20 meter square. Okay, thank you students.